Hello everyone. Today I will guide everyone how to download solo leveling game on PC or laptop for everyone to play. You can play solo leveling on your computer. Then we need to use an Android PC emulator. And in this video I'm going to use a BlueStacks simulator. First, I will guide everyone how to download and install BlueStacks emulator. Then I will show you how to download the game solo leveling. Now everyone's going to go into a browser. Next, people will go to the BlueStacks homepage. I'll put the link below the video description. If you click on the link, it will look like this. Next, everyone will choose to download BlueStacks 5. When it's finished, people will click the left mouse button here to proceed with the installation. In case you don't see the BlueStacks here, everyone will go to the download section. Everyone choose yes. Choose install now. Choose I agree. Now we're going to sit and wait for the BlueStacks. Download and install the computer. After loading finished, I will continue to teach people how to download the game solo leveling on the computer. After installation, the BlueStacks simulator will open up to everyone. Now to download the game solo leveling. Everyone will enter the system app. Select yourself to the Play Store. Everyone will sign into their Google account. Then people will find the game solo leveling here. People choose to enter. Select install. Now we're going to sit and wait. After downloading, we will go to the game to try it out. After downloading, everyone will turn off this tab. The solo leveling game will be here. Now we're going to play. Everyone is logged into their account. We will now wait for the game to load. So I got into the game successfully. Now we're going to use the keyboard and mouse to play. To zoom in and out, people will press F11. Zoom in and zoom out this. The BlueStacks emulator has added a button for us. If people want to add and edit, then people will go to give me the keyboard icon. Select the controls editor. Here, people can add or edit. After adding and editing, people choose to save. And then I did. Complete instructions for everyone how to download the game solo leveling on PC or laptop for everyone to play. I'll probably end the video here. People watch the video and it looks good. If you find it helpful, remember to give yourself a like, a share, a subscribe channel.